Two of the following videos are true
right,
while the other one is trash. Can you spot the fake? Let's begin.
If you allow a strip of aluminum foil to rotate freely on a stick and then light a candle beneath it, the heat rises and propels the foil.
Yeah, he just made a rudimentary turbine spinning from natural convection currents, which can actually be used in a nuclear power plant if you lose your reactor. Now, the efficiency is abysmal, but the principles are there.
Crush some eggshells into a fine powder. I decided to use a blender because it worked better. Then place a bit of flour into a bowl. Add a few scoops of crushed eggshell and a small amount of water, mush it up into a paste and shape it. Then roll it up and place it on the counter to dry for a few days. After waiting, you can take it out of the paper towel and it works like chalk.
Sure, materials processing into homemade chalk. Kind of like how uranium dioxide is fabricated, compressed into pellets, and then sintered at high temperatures. So in this case, you're skipping sintering and mechanical strength is low and temperature is few orders of magnitude lower. But you're manipulating particulate size and moisture content. Fundamentals are there.
Rocket propellers use Newton's third law to move forward. In this example, air is forced out the back, meaning the card experiences an equal and opposite force that propels it forward.
Okay, principles are right, but your order of magnitude is wrong. The hairdryer is not ejecting enough mass or velocity to get that thing to work. Way more energy in the rockets. That's a bit like saying you can try to heat up a reactor containment building by blowing your hairdryer. It's just not going to be very effective.
You've seen all three videos now. Pause to vote in the comments which one you thought was fake. The heat from the candle does actually spin the aluminum foil, and yes, this is a real recipe for creating chalk. That means this one's fake. The hairdryer is not nearly strong enough to propel the car forward, and the whole thing was put in reverse.
Need more power.